Application 24. I have drawn a circle with its diameter AB. Here the picture, the circle AB is the diameter and center O is the center. I draw a perpendicular on the diameter AB from a point P on the circle. Here the P is the point on the circle and draw a perpendicular PN on AB. PN on AB. PN is perpendicular on AB, which intersect AB at the point N. Let me prove that PB square equals to AB into BN. PB square, this side PB square equals to AB diameter and BN. Okay. Here the given that AB is a diameter of a circle with its center O, P is any point on the circle, and PN perpendicular to AB. That is the mathematical form that is given. We have to prove PB square equals to AB dot BN. AB into ABM. This equation can be written as PB by BN equals to AB by PB. That is the another form of this part. Now we prove AB is a diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. So APB is a semicircular angle, that is right angle. We know that the semicircular angle is a right angle, hence APB is one right angle. Okay. In right angle triangle APB, that is, since APB is a right angle, hence APB triangle is the right angle triangle and PN is perpendicular on the hypotenuse. So we know the triangle APB and PBN are similar from the previous theorem. Hence we can write the PAAPB. This is, here we know that the angle A equals to BPN. Hence opposite side of the angle A, that is equal to PB, and opposite side of the angle BPN equals to BN. Hence PB by BN. and right angle ট্যাঙ্গেল কি আছে APB, তাহলে AB আর এ রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল কত হচ্ছে PB, that is AB by PB, and if we cross multiply we get PB square equals to AB dot BN. That is our required result.